Good morning, everyone. I thought I would film a day in the life today. It is Thursday, January the 4th, and the first day where I've actually gotten up, gotten out of bed, and gotten dressed and everything at a good, decent time, because I've been feeling down and feeling sick for the last couple days, so January has been off to a bit of a rough start, but I'm feeling good today, and I just thought I'd take you guys along with me on a day in the life. Miriam's off at school already. It's past 9 o'clock, and it's almost 10 o'clock actually. And Jude is with me today because he doesn't start back to school until next week. So anyhow, join us on our day. And I thought it would be fun because usually it's me and Miriam during the day, but right now it's going to be me and Jude. So let's get going.
Good morning.
What do you have in your cup there?
Foam milk and milk.
Foam milk and milk. Awesome. And I've got my coffee over here Dave made for me. Looks delicious.
Too.
Oh, Jude helped also. And yeah, this looks yummy. I have to go up this back because I actually have to leave the house right now. We are going to visit my grandma.
So, my great-grandma.
Your great-grandma. Are you excited to see her? Yeah. I think I need to invest in a to-go cup for my coffee because this is what I've come up with. A mason jar. That's all I can think of right now because we got to head out the door. I'm picking my mom up in 10 minutes.
I'll go with it.
Thank you.
Bye, Miss Karate person or Jiu-Jitsu.
Alright, let's go. Let's go see great grandma. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you know how old she is?
No.
She's 97 years old.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. What's your name?
Jude.
What is it?
His name is Jude.
Jen.
Jude. Do you know the song Hey Jude?
Me.
Yeah. We know you.
That's not her.
Yeah. What's your name? What's your name? Verna? Is your name Verna?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it is. Verna, this is great grandma. Yeah, this is my grandma.
You're in pretty nice. Look at that. It's a nice one.
Yeah, this is a nice one. He's 5.
Wow.
5 years old.
And you can't have him.
I can have him, he's mine. Right? Yeah. Okay, it is many hours later. It is, I don't know, maybe 1 o'clock? What time is it? Yeah, 1 o'clock. And so we went to visit my grandma, and that was a nice little visit. And then we went and picked up Miriam from school. She's with us now. And we are gonna go to the grocery store, but first we're gonna head into the thrift store and see what we can't find in there, because I haven't been to the thrift store probably at least 2 or 3 weeks, which is a long time for me. So anyway, we're gonna head in there and see what we can find.
Why? I know where the kids station. Over here. No, let's take a short.
Okay, to the right.
Yep. Turn right.
Here, right here. These are kids' clothes down here.
Okay.
So it is 2:54. We have been to the thrift store, the grocery store. We spent a long time in the grocery store because there are some sales on that. My parents wanted me to pick them up some stuff. And so I bought a ton of stuff, like all this stuff here. Normally when I go to the grocery store, I'm in and out with like maybe 2 or 3 bags, but this was a lot of stuff. The kids were very helpful, they helped me, but now we're back home because we want to eat a little snack because we're all starving. And Jude said that he's gonna pass out, and so am I. And so are you. We're all gonna pass out. And then I got some laundry to catch up on because Dave and I are actually going to Toronto tomorrow. And so I gotta like pack for that and stuff. So I still got a busy day, even though we've been go since first thing this morning. Jude is gonna show you what we got from the thrift store.
I really wanted to buy this.
Yeah.
It's London, England, not London, Ontario.
Yeah.
It's a tray that has stuff that London has.
So can I see it? Very nice. And this was pretty cheap, right? So I think we'll do with this is maybe hang it in your room so you can look at it.
Yeah.
I think that'll be pretty cool.
It was $1.50.
$1.50. Okay,
Should I take a tag?
Sure, but let's show the next stuff so that we can move along, okay? What else did we get?
The basketball that I wanted, but we needed to get. I really wanted to get the tray. So Miriam said something for me. She wanted the basketball. Also me.
Yeah.
This was a basketball, and it was.
I think maybe 50 cents because everything came to $4.
Okay.
So that, and then what else?
This is a puck.
A hockey puck.
Under a Senators.
Yeah.
From the NHL.
And how much was that?
That was 50.
50 cents. And then the last thing that I got was Mummy's Choice, and it was $1.50. So I'm gonna hang this in my little gallery wall of flowers. So that's what we got at the thrift store. Was it a fun trip?
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't really find too much at the thrift store. I was hoping to find more stuff. I think when I'm in Toronto this weekend, I will thrift some more, but that's a little thrift haul of things that we got while we were there. Okay, Jude's gonna be doing the laundry. This is his new job. He even empties the lint trap like a big boy, right?
Empty.
Done. Seems like time is flying by and I keep forgetting to pick up the camera. I thought it would be a good day to film a day in life because I had a lot to do and I thought it would be interesting, but it just seems like I had so much to do that I didn't have time to pick up the camera. Anyway, we got some cookies just out of the oven. Dave made some cookies, but he's on a work call, and so I had to take them out of the oven, but I didn't really hear the timer, and so they got a little bit burnt, but they still look good, so that's okay. And then while I was putting linens away in the linen closet, Miriam accidentally ran into Jude and his nose was bloody all down the stairs. So he's been walking around wiping that up, but anyway, now I have a ton of laundry to fold, so let's do that. This is the pile of laundry. This is what happens when Mummy is sick for a couple days. So anyway, I gotta fold all this up and also pack some clothes. So that is my plan for the next half hour. Okay, the laundry is folded, and then I have to pack myself up, and myself and Dave, and then I was thinking because my parents are coming to my house that I might sort of not pack the kids up, but set aside, you know, like this is pajamas, this is outfits, socks, underwear, all that stuff for each day that we're away, just to make it easier for them. I think that's what I'll do. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog sort of soon, even though it's kind of early in the day, just because I want to get it up for you guys for the 8 o'clock time that I said of our new schedule. Because I was sick, this was a horrible time to start a new schedule. But anyway, I want to stick to it, so I want to get this up for 8 o'clock. But I just wanted to talk quickly for my memories, also for anybody. I don't know if anybody's going through this as well, but I mentioned that we went to my grandma's house today. So she lives in a old age home. I don't know if that's what you call it, but anyway, in an old age home. She is 98 and she has Alzheimer's, so she doesn't really know who I am. She doesn't know who Jude is. She knows my mom, we think, because my mom goes to visit her often, so she knows that that she's her daughter, or at least someone familiar. Anyway, so it was kind of neat to see Jude in that environment. He was really good. I was really surprised. He, even though my grandma was not really finishing sentences and being kind of confused, she really enjoyed seeing him, and she really kept saying like, he's so cute, this little boy, asked him his name and stuff. And Jude really liked it. He said he wants to go back often to see her, and all the residents basically were in love with Jude, thinking that he was so cute. And so it was just sort of neat. And then I just heard him talking right now to Miriam, saying, Miriam, if you go visit Grandma, she's going to forget things, but just keep talking to her and you have to talk loud. And it was just really neat to see. He's only 5, but he sort of knows how to act, and he was very compassionate and kind towards my grandma, which I thought was really nice. So anyway, I just wanted to put that out there for anybody watching, but also for my memories, just to remember sort of what it was like when we visit my grandma. Even though she doesn't know who we are, she still likes having company and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm going to end the video here. I have to pack up some stuff for our trip, and yeah, if you enjoyed this weird hodgepodge vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!